I worked in China for 3 years. Working environment is really depressive for me, and I feel so stressful. I'm Lucen, and I'm from China, and I'm studying the digital marketing management in Cambrian right now. I live in Sudbury, so it's more convenient for me to study in Cambrian College. Cambrian College gave us so many programs, so many options for us to choose. I think the whole process is really great. First, you should submit the application on the OCAS. Is Ontario College Application Service. You can choose up to 3 programs. I think living in Sudbury is really awesome because you can do so many outdoor activities here. Like I love the paddling, swimming, camping, and in Cambrian there are so many events that you can join. So it's really great. I joined the activities like the Red Horse. I never did that before, so it's great. It's really a great experience for me. In Sudbury, there are so many Chinese events. I think it's really inclusive because I joined two of them, and I made some friends in there. It's really great. I have so many Chinese friends in here because in my program I have some Chinese classmates. I was sales in securities company in China. I worked there for 3 years before I came to Canada, and I sell like stock, mutual funds, future options, something like that. So as a sales, I have to use the social media to build a good image, to like my customer to trust me, to build a good reputation, something like that. And so I kind of have a basic concept about the digital marketing. So I came here, I choose a digital marketing program. I think it's giving me more hands-on skills. The professors are really supportive, and if you have any difficulty, you can ask them and they will help you. The skills, the knowledge is very hands-on. Like you can apply them to the real world. I think it's really important for me as I already have the work experience before. So I know which part can I use in my next work. I have done so many volunteers during the 1.5 years. I did tax preparing for the community people, and I do the volunteer for cultural weeks. I'm also a cat foster, and it's really lovely. The cat, I'm really a cat person. Yeah, I think it's really good. I'm planning to live in Canada in the future, so I think it's important for me to meet some local friends and to improve my language. When I applied for the Cambrian College, it's only a few days before the deadline, so it's kind of urgent. So I came to Cambrian College and found the international office and to see let them know my situation, documents should I prepare, and they're really helpful. So make the whole process more smooth and easier for me. So it's kind of really gave me a good impression. Cambrian College is really inclusive and supportive, and they really value your experience, value your opinion. They have so many Chinese events, so you will feel you are supported, and don't be afraid. You can get basically everything you want if you want to study in college. So Cambrian College is really a good option for you. I worked in China for 3 years. Working environment is really depressive for me, and I feel so stressful because of pressure. So I want to choose another lifestyle for me. I choose Canada, and I like the outdoor events, outdoor activities, do something like that. And in China, do it is kind of difficult because I live in Beijing. It's a big city. It's hard for me to find some outdoor environments. And so Canada is kind of perfect for me. If I can do it, you can do it.